Check out the nice car, guys. Check out the nice car. What brand could it possibly be? It's definitely a Transformers brand. Hey! Hey vlog! Hey vlog! Hey! Hey! So this is the last day!
The last day.
The
last one.
What are we doing? So we are going shopping for souvenirs.
Souvenirs.
For Souvernir. So we're on an underground mall right now. It's pretty cool. I don't know what we're gonna find, but hopefully we can find some souvenirs. Got a problem. This whole bag full of Chinese souvenirs. What do you think, Alice? Am I a shopaholic?
Yeah, me too.
Where's your things?
Here and here and here. I have a 3 bag. 3.
We got a problem, guys.
And I got mushka.
And a hat. Yeah, so that cost 321 yuan. It's okay. I have like a lot of, because they gave us money for food and travel and stuff, and we didn't use everything, so I'm spending that money that they gave us on their things. So yeah, I think it works out. What do you think? What do you think?
Of what?
Of souvenirs.
They're great, and I want to buy everything. Then stay. Can I buy her?
Lynn, what do you think?
Nothing.
You don't think anything?
Yes.
Nothing. Lynn doesn't have thoughts.
I'm very, very sad to be leaving. Today's the last day. I'm gonna miss that lovely lady over there. Yeah, so I'm very, very sad. Yaku's gonna go get his haircut.
Gonna get a haircut, finally. Finally, I've been wanting a haircut in China. I'm going up the stairs. The place didn't open. So we're going down the stairs because all the men's places are closed.
No, every time
Yes.
it's closed. No, so many places for men here.
Men don't buy clothes. They go to the wild and they hunt. And they hunt for their clothes.
Put mud for shoes.
Yes, mud shoes.
Mud.
That is what we use. Men don't buy. That would be too easy.
Men, yeah.
Men don't buy.
Real men make
Hunt in the
plans.
wild.
Hunt for clothes.
Okay, I will use
In
your
the
jacket.
wild.
Thank you.
See, women need covers.
Oh my
I'm
God.
kidding, I'm sorry.
Why don't you use an umbrella? Oh my.
I did buy an umbrella, but it's a gift. You can't use a gift. You can't use a gift before you gift it to somebody.
Use it in a gift.
Yeah, you can't do that, can you? Leave a comment in the description. We got haircuts. Look at Kaylin. Hi fish.
Hi fish, my name is James.
What's your name,
My name is James and I've been swimming in here for 19 years.
Why are you going down, mate? Why? What's your name, mate?
My name is Jeff.
Oh,
What do you think?
hard to say.
What was your best part?
The best part?
Your favorite part?
Spanish. Okay, you. New haircut. Handsome.
New haircut.
You like it?
See?
I like it.
Very handsome.
Thank you very much.
Super good.
Super good.
Hey, it's Christian. Hey, Christian. How's it going? It's bye-bye time.
Oh, oh my God.
You look great. It's a video. Wait, my arm isn't long enough. Oh, there we go. Let's take a photo. Also. Okay, bye. Bye.
So I'm wondering, is Pharaoh and I will see a spring, maybe cheat to cheat. Oh, the hot spring, it teach me the soak and the clean. When the hot spring is back in the water, we will speak. So I'm guessing over to the sea. Baby, it's a little town with the hills and streams. Temple Bell is raining in the rain. Baby, in this mother's room dreams a little dream.
International friends.
Someone plays please and us for games.
Momoda. Momoda.
I put my fingers to the strings. Oh, the hot spring. You got away now, I sing. When the hot spring silently flows through the years, so I'm living.
I just want to say I'm very sad right now. I'm going back to South Africa and I just want to cry because I miss everybody. And life was amazing in China.
China's really great.
This was really good, but I got some gifts.
Hot spring would make me cheek to cheek. Oh, the hot spring, you put my fingers to the strings. Oh, the hot spring, you got away now, I see. When the hot spring silently flows through the years.
We're in Hong Kong now. Flying back home. 5-hour layover. See how things go.